Good morning, I'm Kavindra here to talk about dark chocolate, a boost for athletes' performance. Too sporty to indulge in chocolate, things again says research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition. The findings suggest that a little dark chocolate may improve performance in fitness training. Beetroot juice is popular among elite athletes as a tool of enhancing performance due to its high nitrate content. The nitrates in beetroot juices are converted to nitric oxide in the body, causing blood vessels to dilate and reducing oxygen consumption, helping athletes to maintain their pace for longer. The Mayo Clinic point out that chocolate and cocoa may play a role in reducing the risk of heart disease. The flavonoids present in cocoa beans have antioxidant effects that reduces the cell damage involved in the heart disease. They can also help to lower blood pressure and improve vascular function. However, Mayo Clinic warned that not all the benefits of chocolate have been confirmed. Chocolate should be consumed in moderation, they say, because the added fats and sugar can lead to weight gains and other health problems. Flavonoids could be the key to chocolate success. One of the flavonoids in the cocoa bean and in dark chocolate is capitectin. Capitectin increases the production of nitric oxide in the body. Postgraduate research student Rishikesh Kankesh Patel from Kingston University in London, UK wanted to know whether dark chocolate could provide similar benefits to beetroot. Patel invited 9 amateur cyclists to participate in a study that was supervised by sports science field leader Dr. Owen Spedip and senior lecturer in sport analysis James Brunner. The cyclists underwent initial fitness tests to provide a baseline for comparison, and they were put into two groups. All the participants swapped one of their daily snacks of 1.5 ounces of chocolate 2 weeks. One group consumed a dark chocolate that was rich in flavonoids and the other group was just having white chocolate. After 2 weeks, the cyclists performed a series of cycling exercise tests, including moderate exercise and time travels in Kingston's Performance Laboratory. The researchers measured their heart rate and oxygen consumption level. Performance enhanced after eating chocolate. The participants then took a break for a week before switching chocolate types and repeating the 2-week trial and exercise test. After eating dark chocolate, the riders used less oxygen when cycling at a moderate pace. They also cycled further in 2-minute flat out time trial. Patel comments both dark chocolate and beetroot juices are known to increase nitric oxide, which is the major mechanism we believe in behind this trial. We found that people could effectively exercise for longer after eating dark chocolate, sometimes that not being established before in this way. Patel, who completed the study as part of his undergraduate sports science degree at Kingston University, is now investigating dark chocolate as the part of his doctoral thesis. He hopes to establish the optimal level of flavonoids in dark chocolate for boosting athlete performance, and he foresees dark chocolate potentially being included in the diet for endurance athletes. He points out that the levels of flavonol in commercially available chocolate are variable. After establishing the optimal dose and duration, Patel plans to compare the effects of chocolate consumption with those of beetroot juice and study the impact of combining the two, since they boost nitric oxide production in slightly different ways. It remains unclear whether the boost in performance in short term, for example, taking effect within the same day of consumption, or it takes longer, which is what the current finding suggests. Increasing efficiency for endurance athletes. Sport analyst general lecturer James Brunner, who is also an ultra distance runner, says the research suggests that dark chocolate could be beneficial for endurance athletes. Brunner notes that it is important for endurance athletes to be efficient as possible. He adds that many athletes consume beetroot juice for this purpose but do not enjoy the flavor. Dark chocolate could offer the same benefits but with a better taste. He adds when performing endurance-based activity, being as economical as possible in energy provision is key to enhancing performance. From our result, the consumption of dark chocolate has altered the participants' response to the activity and therefore could enhance their endurance performance. Medical News Today asked Patel whether dark chocolate might be used for recreational athletes as well as those involved in endurance sport, but he told us that this is not known yet. We also asked if it is possible to whether commercially available chocolate is suitable for improving performance. He told us commercially available chocolate doesn't generally publish flavanol content on its label, as a relationship between the percentage of cacao and flavanols is not currently established at the moment. It is very difficult to determine which dark chocolate would provide the greatest performance benefit based on the label. Thank you.